Welcome. Today we're diving into the fascinating world of homeostasis and metabolism. These two concepts are at the heart of how our bodies function every day. Homeostasis is the process by which living organisms maintain a stable internal environment despite changes in the external world. Think of it as your body's way of keeping everything in balance from temperature to hydration. Metabolism, on the other hand, refers to all the chemical reactions that occur within your body to sustain life. These reactions provide energy and build the molecules your body needs. Throughout this video, we'll explore how these two systems interact and why their relationship is so crucial for health. Start by understanding homeostasis in more detail. Homeostasis is all about stability. Imagine your body as a finely tuned machine, constantly adjusting to keep things like temperature, pH, and glucose levels within a narrow range. When you get too hot, you sweat to cool down. When you're cold, you shiver to generate heat. These automatic responses are examples of homeostatic mechanisms at work. Without homeostasis, our cells wouldn't function properly, and even small imbalances could lead to serious health issues. So maintaining this internal balance is essential for survival. Now let's talk about metabolism. Metabolism is the sum of all chemical reactions happening in your body. These reactions can be divided in two main types: catabolism, which breaks down molecules to release energy, and anabolism, which builds up molecules using energy. Every time you eat, exercise, or even sleep, your metabolism is hard at work. It's responsible for converting food into energy, repairing tissues, and supporting growth. Without metabolism, life simply wouldn't be possible. It's the engine that powers every cell in your body. How are homeostasis and metabolism connected? The answer lies in the way metabolic processes help maintain balance inside the body. For example, when your blood sugar rises after a meal, metabolic pathways kick in to store excess glucose, bringing your levels back to normal. If you skip a meal, other metabolic processes release stored energy to keep your body running smoothly. In this way, metabolism acts as a tool that supports homeostasis, constantly adjusting to internal and external changes. One of the most important ways homeostasis is maintained is through feedback mechanisms. These are systems that monitor changes in the body and trigger responses to correct any imbalances. Negative feedback is the most common type, where a change in one direction causes a response that brings things back to normal. For instance, if your body temperature rises, mechanisms are activated to cool you down. Positive feedback, though less common, amplifies changes. Both types are crucial for regulating metabolism and maintaining homeostasis. Let's look at a specific example: blood sugar regulation. After you eat, your blood sugar rises. In response, your pancreas releases insulin, a hormone that helps cells absorb glucose and lowers blood sugar back to normal. If your blood sugar drops too low, another hormone called glucagon is released to raise it. This delicate balance is a perfect example of how metabolism and homeostasis work together to keep your body functioning properly. Another great example is temperature regulation. Your body needs to stay around 37 degrees C, 98.6 degrees F for optimal function. When you get too hot, your metabolism increases sweat production to cool you down. When you're cold, metabolic reactions generate more heat. These adjustments are automatic and continuous, ensuring your internal environment stays just right no matter what's happening outside. Water balance is another critical aspect of homeostasis. Your body is made up of about 60% water, and maintaining the right amount is essential. When you're dehydrated, your metabolism slows down and your body conserves water by producing less urine. When you drink plenty of fluids, your body gets rid of the excess. This constant adjustment keeps your cells healthy and functioning properly. Maintaining the right pH level in your blood is vital for survival. Your metabolism produces acids and bases as byproducts, but your body has systems to neutralize them. The kidneys and lungs play a big role here, adjusting the levels of acids and bases to keep your blood pH within a narrow range. This is another example of how metabolic processes support homeostasis every second of the day. Your body's metabolism relies on oxygen to produce energy. At the same time, it produces carbon dioxide as a waste product. Homeostatic mechanisms in your lungs and blood ensure that oxygen levels stay high and carbon dioxide is removed efficiently. Breathing faster or slower helps adjust these levels, keeping your cells supplied with what they need and removing what they don't. Energy production is at the core of metabolism. Your cells convert glucose and oxygen into ATP, the energy currency of the cell. This process, called cellular respiration, is tightly regulated to match your body's needs. When you exercise, your metabolism speeds up to provide more energy. When you rest, it slows down. This flexibility is key to maintaining homeostasis. Your body doesn't just use nutrients right away, it also stores them for later. Excess glucose is stored as glycogen in the liver and muscles. Fats are stored in adipose tissue. When you need extra energy, your metabolism breaks down these stores and releases them into the bloodstream. This storage and release system is another way metabolism supports homeostasis, ensuring you have energy when you need it. Hormones play a huge role in regulating metabolism and maintaining homeostasis. Insulin, glucagon, thyroid hormones, and adrenaline are just a few examples. These chemical messengers travel through your bloodstream, signaling organs and tissues to adjust their activities. This precise control ensures your body responds quickly to changes and keeps everything in balance. Enzymes are proteins that speed up metabolic reactions. Their activity is carefully regulated to match your body's needs. If conditions change, like temperature or pH, enzyme activity can increase or decrease. This fine-tuning helps maintain homeostasis by ensuring that metabolic reactions happen at the right speed and in the right place. Your genes also play a role in metabolism and homeostasis. Certain genes are turned on or off in response to changes in your environment. This genetic regulation ensures that your body produces the right proteins and enzymes at the right time, helping you adapt to new situations and maintain internal balance. Liver is a powerhouse when it comes to metabolism and homeostasis. It processes nutrients, detoxifies harmful substances, and helps regulate blood sugar levels. The liver also produces bile, which aids in digestion. By performing these vital functions, the liver plays a central role in keeping your body's internal environment stable. Your kidneys are essential for removing waste products from your blood. They filter out toxins and excess substances, maintaining the right balance of water, salts, and minerals. This process is tightly linked to metabolism, as many waste products are generated by metabolic reactions. By keeping your blood clean, the kidneys help maintain homeostasis. Nervous system works closely with the endocrine system to regulate metabolism and maintain homeostasis. It detects changes in your environment and sends signals to organs and tissues to adjust their activities. For example, if you're in danger, your nervous system triggers the release of adrenaline, speeding up your metabolism and preparing your body for action. The endocrine system is made up of glands that release hormones into your bloodstream. These hormones regulate metabolism, growth, and many other processes. The endocrine system works hand in hand with the nervous system to keep your body in balance, responding to changes quickly and efficiently. Stress can have a big impact on homeostasis and metabolism. When you're stressed, your body releases hormones like cortisol and adrenaline, which increase your metabolism and prepare you to deal with challenges. However, chronic stress can disrupt homeostasis, leading to health problems. Managing stress is important for keeping your body's systems in balance. Physical activity has a powerful effect on metabolism and homeostasis. Exercise increases your metabolic rate, helping you burn more energy and maintain a healthy weight. It also improves your body's ability to regulate blood sugar, temperature, and other vital functions. Regular exercise is one of the best ways to support homeostasis and overall health. What you eat has a direct impact on metabolism and homeostasis. A balanced diet provides the nutrients your body needs to function properly. Too much or too little of certain nutrients can disrupt homeostasis and lead to health problems. Eating a variety of foods helps ensure your metabolism runs smoothly and your body stays in balance. Sleep is essential for maintaining homeostasis and supporting metabolism. During sleep, your body repairs tissues, consolidates memories, and restores energy levels. Poor sleep can disrupt metabolic processes and throw your body out of balance. Prioritizing good sleep habits is key to keeping your systems running smoothly. As we age, our metabolism naturally slows down. This can make it harder to maintain homeostasis, especially when it comes to weight, blood sugar, and bone health. Staying active, eating well, and managing stress can help counteract these changes and support healthy aging. Many diseases are caused by disruptions in homeostasis and metabolism. Diabetes, for example, results from problems with blood sugar regulation. Thyroid disorders affect metabolic rate. Understanding the relationship between metabolism and homeostasis can help us prevent and manage these conditions more effectively. When you have an infection, your body may develop a fever. This is a homeostatic response that raises your body temperature to help fight off pathogens. Metabolic rate increases during a fever, speeding up immune responses. This temporary imbalance is actually a protective mechanism, showing how homeostasis and metabolism work together in times of need. Humans are incredibly adaptable thanks to the interplay between metabolism and homeostasis. Whether you're living in a hot desert or a cold mountain, your body adjusts metabolic processes to maintain balance. These adaptations help you survive and thrive in a wide range of environments. Some people are born with genetic disorders that affect metabolism and homeostasis. For example, phenylketonuria (PKU) is a condition where the body can't break down a certain amino acid. These disorders require careful management to maintain balance and prevent complications. Medications can influence metabolism and homeostasis in various ways. Some drugs speed up or slow down metabolic processes, while others help restore balance in cases of disease. It's important to use medications as directed to avoid disrupting your body's natural equilibrium. When you fast, your body shifts its metabolism to use stored energy. Glycogen stores are used up first, followed by fat. This metabolic flexibility is a key part of homeostasis, allowing you to survive periods without food by tapping into your body's reserves. Obesity is a condition where energy intake exceeds energy expenditure, leading to excess fat storage. This disrupts homeostasis and can cause metabolic problems like insulin resistance. Maintaining a healthy weight through diet and exercise is crucial for supporting both metabolism and homeostasis. The thyroid gland produces hormones that regulate your metabolic rate. If your thyroid is overactive, your metabolism speeds up. If it's underactive, your metabolism slows down. Proper thyroid function is essential for maintaining homeostasis and overall health. Electrolytes like sodium, potassium, and calcium are vital for nerve and muscle function. Metabolic processes and homeostatic mechanisms work together to keep electrolyte levels within a narrow range. Imbalances can lead to serious health issues, highlighting the importance of this delicate balance. Your body must keep its acid-base balance within a tight range for enzymes and cells to work properly. Metabolic reactions produce acids, but your lungs and kidneys help remove them. This ongoing process is a great example of how metabolism and homeostasis are intertwined. Thermoregulation is the process of maintaining a stable body temperature. Your metabolism generates heat as a byproduct of chemical reactions. When you're too hot or cold, your body adjusts metabolic activity to restore the right temperature. This is another key aspect of homeostasis. Growth and development depend on a well-regulated metabolism and stable internal environment. Hormones, nutrients, and energy must be carefully balanced for cells to grow and divide. Disruptions in homeostasis can affect growth, especially in children and adolescents. Reproductive health is closely linked to metabolism and homeostasis. Hormones regulate reproductive cycles and metabolic health affects fertility. Maintaining balance in these systems is essential for successful reproduction and healthy offspring. Your immune system relies on a healthy metabolism and stable internal environment to function properly. Nutrients, energy, and hormones all play a role in supporting immune responses. Disruptions in homeostasis can weaken your defenses against infections. Exposure to environmental toxins can disrupt metabolism and homeostasis. The body's detoxification systems, especially the liver and kidneys, work hard to remove harmful substances and restore balance. Limiting exposure to toxins is important for maintaining health. Staying hydrated is essential for metabolism and homeostasis. Water is needed for nearly every chemical reaction in your body. Dehydration can slow metabolism and disrupt balance, while proper hydration supports all your body's systems. Deficiencies in vitamins or minerals can disrupt metabolism and homeostasis. For example, a lack of iron can lead to anemia, while low calcium affects bone health. Eating a balanced diet helps prevent deficiencies and supports your body's ability to maintain balance. Recovering from illness requires your metabolism and homeostatic systems to work overtime. Your body needs extra energy and nutrients to repair tissues and fight off infections. Supporting your body with rest, hydration, and good nutrition helps speed up recovery and restore balance. Homeostasis isn't just for animals. Plants also maintain internal balance. They regulate water, nutrients, and energy through processes like photosynthesis and transpiration. These mechanisms ensure plants can survive and grow in changing environments. Animals have evolved a wide range of adaptations to maintain homeostasis in different environments. From sweating to panting, hibernating to migrating, these strategies help animals survive and thrive by keeping their internal conditions stable. Wrap up: homeostasis and metabolism are deeply interconnected. Metabolic processes provide the energy and resources needed to maintain balance, while homeostatic mechanisms ensure that internal conditions stay within healthy limits. Understanding this relationship helps us appreciate the complexity of life and the importance of taking care of our bodies. By supporting metabolism and homeostasis through healthy habits, we can enjoy better health and resilience.